Well, on behalf of Liberia Medical Mission, we are excited to invite eye surgeons and personnel staff to join us for the next mission to Liberia. And this mission will begin on February 25th to March 12th. And depending on the caseload, we may extend that time frame, depending on the availability of our surgeons as well. So we are asking all volunteers, especially eye surgeons, to please join us for next year's mission to Liberia. You can visit our website, www.liberiamedicalmission.org, or you can follow us on Facebook, Liberia Medical Mission. So we are inviting all of you to please join us. We are going as one family. In terms of security, the Liberian government is going to provide maximum security for the team. We will provide lodging, transportation, and feeding. So come and join us. Thank you.
But you're not only looking for eye surgeons, but you're looking for OR personnel,
Absolutely.
people to help with the transportation of patients, so the workups, post-op care, etc.
Absolutely. We're also looking for, if we also have psychiatrists, mental health, and nurses as well, can join us as well as part of the personal staff.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's a wonderful opportunity. And if you are interested, make sure that you contact either myself or Joe Sakor, or go to the website liberiamedicalmission.org.
Yep.
And we're having these bi-weekly meetings. So as soon as you show some interest, you can join us for these meetings. So we keep up to date. So we become like one family. So we know each other prior to leaving for Liberia.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Thank you.